How's it going, YouTube? So today I got invited on a private land to go and do some four-wheeling with the Bronco. So me and my son headed out and we are just finishing up. We're getting done with the trail for the day. So I've been working on a project to have some sort of onboard air. I'm a huge fan of power tanks, but the Bronco, with me having two kids now, having a dog I sometimes put in the back, carrying the power tank just isn't as convenient as I like it to be. I love power tanks. I actually own two of them. I'm a huge fan of the product, but I just don't have a great way to store it. So I gave in and I finally bought a compressor. Now, I bought the knockoff, the Chinese knockoff twin ARB compressor. So they have the same part number as an ARB. It's just branded as Offroad. You find them all over eBay. And I paid like $338 for this thing shipped to my house. So I got it all wired up a couple days ago. I got our Lifestyle Off-Road table mounted and I threw the compressor on there and it seems to be working great. So working there. I did buy the ARB tire fill kit, and so that's an ARB hose and a chuck, and I'm cheating because I didn't bring a tire pressure gauge, so I'm just have it on this screen. I have the truck running, and if you sit here and watch, it actually ticks up fairly quick. So I don't know if you can actually even see the screen. Let me shove the camera really in there. There we go. Okay, so it just hit 31. $32. I mean, is it lightning fast? No. But do I have a tank on it? No. I just have that compressor directly wired to an upfitter switch. So off, on. I just have it on switch number 4 there. I really didn't want to have to run wiring for another switch, drill a hole somewhere. I'm not a big fan of that. I know it's loud. This is the switch wire. This is the power. So I have them running into here. You see that up? So the power wire actually comes up here. It goes behind the plastic. And then it comes down through here, through here. Oh, there we go. So this is the power wire, that white, it's in a housing. So I ran it through there, ran it through the grommet and the firewall, and ran the power wire all the way through here to the battery. So you can see the white battery or white cable coming through the firewall. I have both cables going to the positive post, and then for the switch I just did the opposite side. So you have to run that purple wire all the way up, run it through here, and then the switch is coming to one of these up here because there's two upfitter connections there. And that is how I have it cabled. It was very simple to do. Didn't really take me too long. All those plastic pieces pop off. It's fairly easy to use like a coat hanger and fish the cable through those back pieces. You pry the top off a little bit and you can fish the wire through. But overall, yeah, I've been pretty happy. I'm not paying attention to it, so I put way too much air in this tire. So just let it run. Go to my next tire. But this, I kind of like this little air chuck that comes with the ARB kit, and I'll of course post links for these items. But I like that I can just plug it in and walk away and it'll do its thing, so I could do things like shoot a YouTube video while I'm airing up. So yeah, quick review, first impression. For 330 bucks for this compressor, I like it. It does get hot. You will notice that yellow cloth that is behind it. The bolts I used to bolt that ARB, that compressor on, were rubbing against the second deck, little second drawer thing, shelf, that's the word I'm looking for. They were rubbing against the second shelf and rattling, so that's why that's there. But let me know what you think. Is this something you're interested in doing? Yeah, what do you think? Thanks for watching.